In this video, we are going to learn how to run a program that we have already created. If you want to do a dry run with the arc off, make sure that your key switch on your button box is off. If you want to live weld, make sure that that key is turned to on. On your pendant down at the bottom, we're going to hit play. Play from beginning, robot program. We're going to press and hold, move to robot to init point. This will move your robot to the home position. We're going to hit play from robot program, and this will send your robot program to the button box, where we will then hit the green start button. And that is how you run a program on your BotX XSR.